This video is about making broth from the tail of a bull. In the first step, we put the tail, boil and give the coal together with the carrots and the ginger root. A few stars of anise, aka aniseed, bay leaf and then peppercorns. You can add any other herbs and boil them with the primary herbs you will add at the end of the readiness of our soup. 7 hours later, we have demi-glace in the liquid form. The stiff fiber in the tail looks really pretty and the fiber is itself ready. It is separated from the bones and you can strain. Let's not foam all the material thoroughly at the same time. All these are collected and the whole is set. Herbs, spices and vegetables we will all put in our soup. Pour the broth clean. Soon rice noodles have fallen off. In Vietnam, they drop the soup with these rice noodles. Add the different shredded greens, leafy green parsley, dill onions and fresh basil. You can't spare the greens in the soup and it tastes even better. Adding the greenery decorates it nicely. Add the greenery and the onions. Good afternoon. I am with a 20-year-old chick who is famous for 10 years in Odessa and pasta. I collect recipes from the Candida Sky Kitchen and today I will show you a new delicious recipe. Guess what is my soup's name? It is the tune and it will be made from the tail of a bull called pho. It is for the people of Vietnamese romance. Why do I want to eat Vietnamese food? Let's see. It is a noodle soup in which, when served, beef or chicken is added, and sometimes pieces of fried fish or rounded fish cutlet are used to decorate the fish. Asian variety of basil, mint, lime and bean dishes is associated with Hanoi, where the first restaurant opened in 1920. The French colonial government influenced the cuisine forms. I need your support. Hit the bell icon and I will see you soon.